to my wrist like you gorgeous. You gorgeous. 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 You gorgeous. You gorgeous. 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 You.
Hey YouTube. So today I'm gonna be seasoning some chicken cause my mom is going to baby shower today, right? Baby shower, right? So she told me to season those thighs, the chicken thighs. So that's not bad. And I put it in this. I'm putting the pan in this pan. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. Okay. This don't take my day forever. Oh my gosh. And I was seasoning them. Like it's a lot, so I'm about to be seasoning them. So. Hold on for a second. Boom.
Just notice and notice I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love me, I see no way to me leave her. I do make the world I've seen her. We are nobody who G over.
Season. Now I'm about to mix it up, shake it, so all the seasoning go in it. Now I'm done seasoning the chicken. Now she said that I have to wait for her to come so she can fry it. So I'm waiting for her so she can come fry it. And yeah, that was all the videos. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Add me on Snapchat. It's gonna be right here, and then my TikTok gonna be up here, and then be up here or down here. I don't know which one. And then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, cause more videos coming. This is my video. Yeah, more videos coming, y'all. Watch and see. More videos coming. The next video I'm gonna do is getting my hair done, doing my locks, but not right now. Not right now. So yeah, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'm gonna subscribe to your channel and comment. What next video should I do next? So yeah, thank you. last time seeing the chicken. This is a chicken. So, bye.
I keep talking to my wrist like you gorgeous, you gorgeous, 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 you gorgeous, you gorgeous, 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 you.